Hey friends, this video shows how to allow install app from unknown sources. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on apps, go down, tap on special app access, go down. Here you can see install unknown apps, tap here. So here you can see list of apps. From this list we can select one app for which we need to allow this permission, allow install app from unknown source. For example, let me select Google Chrome, then enable it, done. So after this, using this Google Chrome browser, I can download and install Android APK file from unknown sources. Okay, similarly you can set this permission to other apps in the list. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.